What is C? C is a high-level language founded in 1972, AT&T Bell Labs. It's become very popular because of large featureless and speed. Most of the operating systems and embedded programs it's used for microprocessor and games are built using C. Many software also using built in C. Even today, mainly considered to the C language to be first learning language. Its simplicity. When we write C program, it basically used to compiler. Compiler is compile the code, it converted into machine language code. Machine language code is code which computer can understand. They cannot understand C program directly. It's however, writing C program is easy for us. That is why instead of writing code directly machine language, we can write into C program, which is a high level language which is exclusive to English as compared to machine language. It's become easy for us to write C program and then use compiler. Compiler is converted into machine language code. We are going to check a code block for C program. Every C program has hash include in the angular brackets header files. So what is header files are? Header files it's contain predefined function which we can directly use. We can call them as dependency files. We can include one or more header files, or these are English statement. The main function start from here. Here I can have declaration statement and decision control statements and loops, call to other function, special keyword, return integer value. All these points we are going to check one by one in the next section. Before that, let's make a point that how a program is executed, how exactly program is executed. We talk about the compiler. Compiler, when the compile the code line by line, when it's converted into machine language code, that machine code also executed line by line. Here line is basically what you write in an instruction. That instruction will be executed in step by step like line by line. So computer execute your code block line by line. That is why necessary how can program is executed. Now we are going to talk about format specifier. Basic function is required in order to take user from the input and display output to the user. Which commonly used functions are printf and scanf. Many format specifier in a C language. However, we are going to use %C and %D and %F. Rest of the format we can discuss in the next section. %C will be used for character, %D will be used for integer, %F will be used for float. All this data type in check in the next section. Format of printf and scanf statement is like this. Let me explain how printf will be utilized. Printf starting double quote indicate starting of my string. So I am writing here number %D, character %C, float value %F, and end my first parameter another double quote. This whole part is my first parameter of printf statement. Then I am writing another parameter. I am writing here comma marks and comma first letter of your name and comma value of pi. Let's see how printf will be executed. At the time of compilation, %D will be replaced by marks and %C is replaced by first letter of your name and float is replaced by %F is replaced by value of pi. Hence once this is compiled, at the time of execution my output for this printf statement number 10 character p float value 3.142. Next statement is scanf statement. Printf is using for displaying the values, displaying the output. Scanf is using for taking value from the user. What scanf does it and where to store those values? %D accept my integer value. Percentage C will be character, percentage F will be float value. All these three values will be stored one by one into this respective variable. First variable will be stored at marks, second variable stored at first letter of your name, third variable will be stored at value of pi. Now we are going to write small C program in C. These are include statement. I am writing include stdio.h, conio.h. These are two files will be required for CRL and getC function. These are common functions. CRL does basically clear the output of the previous program. Now we will get a clean screen. Printf is displaying whatever we are going to write there in that. This is very basic program to print a simple string. Bye friends, we will meet in next section.